Welcome to the part 2 of my Upcycle story.
So we were turning this dress of hers into a quote set, and this is our progress so far. Now for the skirt, we removed the middle stitch and the show buttons and separated the unwanted piece from the skirt. Now we mark and cut out the skirt pattern, stitch the seams and gather them to make it look something like this. Now we need some lining fabric to make tunnels for adjustable strings. So we take a black lining fabric, measure and cut out a rectangular strip, attach it to one seam and keep that aside. Next we need to make the strings. For that, we take the leftover fabric, cut out rectangular strips to attach one below other to form a long string, fold them and stitch the sides, and now we have to pull them inside out to finish it. Used a straw for this, and finally attaching the string into the tunnel we constructed. Did the exact same thing with the other seam, tunnel, string, attach, and our skirt is almost done. Now join the seams together, do some finishings, and the skirt is ready. This is how it looks flat lay, the seams and the adjustable seam opening in close up before we move on to the top for some final touches. We need to add some length to the halter neck ties on the top, and I waited to do this last to make sure the skirt had enough material. Now we are done with that and finally attaching some elastic to the back of the top to secure the fit, and we are done with the set. Forgot to mention that I replaced these buttons, added these on the skirt, and then traveled all the way to Bangalore to meet her and her family, and you'll see her flaunting the outfit in the last part. Until then, bye bye.